How to add a full reel on your Instagram story. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram app. To do so, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and then see if there is an update available. If there is an update, simply tap on it and get the latest version. After you have got the updated version of Instagram, go to Instagram, go to Reels section, and then tap on this paper plane icon. Here you will see the option of Add to Story. Wait for it to load and you can simply share it to your story and full reel will be shared. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.